Alright, here we got the MX20 from Samsung. It's 34 times zoom. It's got a Schneider lens right in the front. It's got 180 minutes of battery life, 3 hours. Really good for a camera, video camera. It's got H.264 recording. Don't know what that means. And a swivel hand grip, 180 degrees. It's YouTube friendly, so you can record. It's compatible, and you can record in YouTube format, so it doesn't take as long to upload. So here we go with the. I'm going to turn this on, flip it down like that, open it up. Here we go. Very quick to open up right here. Maybe I just shouldn't use the zoom. But oh, let me open up the lens. There you go. And what we got here is, right here's the big huge recorder button, the power button. Mode is, you can change between camera and review. Here is the zoom in, zoom out. Here's a grip. Right here we have a menu. Menus for the type of scene that you're recording: sports, portrait, spotlight. It's got a lot of options, really good options. White balance, exposure, shutter, focus, so you can put on face detection, anti-shake. It's also got digital effects. It's also got a display form, so you can do it 16:9 or wider center. Resolution, and here's where you can record superfine, fine, normal, and web and mobile, so that's where your YouTube compatibility comes from. We can also cut out the wind, so if it's a windy day, then you can cut out that crap so your video turns out better. You can mute other voices around, so it's just a video. Backlight, if there's like sun, you can minimize the glare. And interval recording, which is a big part of this camera, where you can record for hours upon hours and it'll only be like 30 seconds. So that's great for recording sunsets and whatnot. And C-Night, I have no idea what that is. Got a fader for movie makers, and grids, if you like grids. And digital zoom, you can have that on or off. And by the way, digital zoom is, I don't have it with me, but I think it's really good. This camera is good with zoom. It's 34 times optical zoom, which keeps it very clear. We've also got, on the side, we've got buttons. The what is this here? Press the menu button. Let's see. Press this button, and I think it changes the exposure. And see, like, ready, change it, see. Then we got easy, which means easy Q. Don't know what that means. And this is changing the display, which is pretty funky. And if I hold this, never mind. But right here on the top we got 30, the battery life. It says it keeps track. I think the number above the min, can't really see it with this camera, but it says 33 minutes. Oh, so that's how long I got with the battery. It's on camera, standby, I haven't recorded anything. It's on normal, and it's on anti-shake, so that's where the hand comes in. And here we got the, let me pick this up. We've got the I'm gonna close this, and it puts it on standby, I think, or maybe it doesn't. Turn this off. Put it on the swivel. It can swivel 180 degrees to the pole. Okay, so not a good idea. So you go like this, and it swivels all the way around. So there you go. Like that. You got, let me take this off. You got, you can hold it like this, but you can also swivel it around so you can hold it like this, like a gun, and push it back wherever you want to, however you want to record. You can record it, and it's very useful for tight spots where you can't always hold it like this, because that's kind of tough position to hold it. Other than that, here's a screen cover, and the speakers are right here, right there, and here's the grip. The grip's a little cheap. It's got like a Velcro thing, a little cheap, but other than that, this camera is very good. And right here is where you stick the stand and a MX20 specialized holder for the charging or something like that. And then you open this up. That's where the battery goes, and the SD card. I just got an 8 gig, and what came with on the handle is a card that gives the times and hours of how much recording you can get. For an 8 gig, you can get, for normal recording, you can get 5 hours and 10 minutes, which is very good. And you just upload to your computer, and then you can wipe the disk, and there you go. Got another extra 5 hours. Web mobile is much more hours. You can record up to 7 hours and 40 minutes for web mobile. Superfine is 3 hours and 10 minutes for 8 gig. Then also lists 16 gig and 32 gigs times. And this lists just the highlights of the camera: face detection, battery check, so that you can check your battery, and interval timing. So thanks for watching. This is the MX20 from Samsung. Bought it for about $250. Check it out, guys.